Welcome to Peace Diaries, where I talk about finance, lifestyle, and growth. If 2025 is your year of increasing your finance, then this channel is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 ways you can withdraw your money from Lollipop app. Now, when you log into your Lollipop app, you go to the human icon down of your phone, then you click on your T point. Is loading. When you click on the T point, you click on Cashout. Then it will ask you withdraw amount. You can see that withdrawal amount is at least $10, and I have 131 because 10,000 points is equals to $1. So you can see that I have $13.11. So I'm going to click on all. Just want to show you the 3 methods in which you can withdraw your money. Then you click on withdraw. Then you select the currency type. You can see there is USDT, there is ePay, there is PayPal, another country currency. Now, for USDT, the payment method is 0 fee plus 6 USDT, which means that if I want to withdraw my $13, they are going to take $6 out of it, which is very expensive. The second method of withdrawal is your ePay. With your ePay, you will just pay 0.3% service fee, which is cheap. If you want to see the video on how to open ePay account, I will link it here. Watch it and see how you are going to download and register and install ePay account. ePay account is one of the cheapest way you can withdraw your money from Lollipop app. Another payment method on this app is PayPal. So if you have PayPal account, you can also withdraw your money in USD, in dollar. If you want me to make video on how to open a PayPal account, let me know in the comment section. So these are the 3 methods in which you can withdraw or cash out your T points from this app, and all the withdrawal are in USD and in dollar. If you want me to show you how to now convert the dollar to naira using PayPal or ePay or USDT, let me know in the comment section. Now for the PayPal account, for the PayPal withdrawal, consider the service fee is 2.2% plus 0.3 compared to PayPal. You can see that PayPal is cheap. If you want to withdraw, the fee is 0% plus 0.3, which means that they're going to charge only 0.3%. So let me know if you're having issues withdrawing. Let me know. If this video was helpful, kindly give a like. Let me know in the comment section which of the payment method you have used, and if this video has helped you out to understand how you're going to cash out your money from Lollipop. If you like this type of content, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.